today we're going to perform the genetic metabolic pathway test. Your client support team will deliver your Longevity UK starter kit box. Within the box, you'll find everything you need to perform the test and to start your program. So first, let's lay out everything you need for the test. You'll need your registration form, which will collect key pieces of information from you, such as your date of birth, your name, and your contact email address. Next, you will have the sample collection device itself. This is a cotton bud that will be used to take the buccal sample swab from the inside of your mouth. Thirdly, you'll have a label that has a unique identifiable number that correlates to your sample. First, start by filling out the form. Be sure to include all of the relevant information, not to miss any, especially the date and time of the sample collection. Within this registration form, you'll find a box that says Test Kit Registration Number. This will need to be the number that is on the label that was delivered in the box. Next, we'll open the sample collection kit. You'll tear the plastic bag from the top and remove the tube from the inside. First step is to write your name and your date of birth on the test tube. Next step, take the kit number label that you received, remove the label from its backing, and place the label on the test tube. Be sure not to cover your name or your date of birth. Next, we're going to remove the actual sample collection kit from its tube. Place your hand on the white end of the sample collection test kit, rotate clockwise and pull. You'll expose the cotton pad. This cotton pad is where we will collect the actual sample from the inside of the mouth. When collecting the sample, the first step is to brush the end of the collection kit on your tongue. Next, on the right-hand side of the inside of your cheek, in circular motions 15 to 20 times, continue to rub the inside of your cheek. Next, we'll move on to the left-hand side, or the other side to where you started. Again, in circular motions, keep moving the swab until you've done it about 15 to 20 times. Once you've collected the sample, remove from the mouth. Be sure not to touch the end of the cotton wool with any fingers or any surfaces, and place this back into the sample collection tube. Screw it back on tightly, and this will now be sent to the lab to analyse. Your client support team will help you organise the courier to collect the sample test kit. Be sure to include the registration form within the kit.